You are not logged in. This guide can only be completed if you have converted your website into an app with webtoapp.design. This guide is part of the app publishing process. You should only complete it when asked to in the app publishing timeline. In this guide, we'll go over every step needed to upload a new version of your app to the App Store. Open the App Store Connect app overview. Select your app. Click the plus button in the left menu. Enter a new version number higher than the last one and then click Create. Example, if your last one was 1.0, you can enter 1.1 now. You can see your last version number below the plus button you clicked in the previous step. Fill out the following fields. Version information. Describe what's new in this app update. Example, fixed bugs and improved performance. Updated our app icon to our new logo. If you'd like, you can change fields like promotional text, keywords, support URL, marketing URL, and description. You can also make changes to your screenshots. You don't have to, though. You can take screenshots automatically here. Alternatively, you can take screenshots with devices in the required sizes here. If you'd like to edit your screenshots, we recommend that you check out our guide on taking and editing screenshots to make sure you follow the Play Store guidelines. You can use the same screenshots for both iPad generations. That's because both of these iPads have the same screen size. You don't need to upload screenshots for the iPhone with the 6.7-inch screen size. Update the app review information if it changed since the initial publishing of your app. Please double-check that the test account you provided works. If the app reviewers can't log in with it, your app will be rejected.